Camera? Making videos of whole Kosovo, Prizren. I'll go to Peja and Jakova as well. Prizren is beautiful. Best. The bread, big bread.
The bread with
And
cheese.
eggs. And egg.
Egg.
And
Egg.
cheese.
Cheese,
Cheese.
egg, cheese, egg. Awesome.
It's like a pitaka. It's the cheese and egg is inside the pitaka.
yes.
Oh, okay.
But şöyle bir şey. And eggs
Oh,
and cheese.
eggs in the upper side, upper part.
Eggs and
the
cheese.
middle.
On. In the on.
Oh, upper part. Yeah. Okay.
We start with water and dates.
Dates. Yeah. We also dates. Water. It's a common thing. But do you have any juice or something like that?
Yes.
Bir dakika.
Okay.
Nerede?
After pitaka, you just eat pitaka or something else as well.
Tam bir dakika.
After that, we drink soup, then pitayka, and that's pretty much it.
Oh,
Desene
that's
şey
good.
ekler de var. Ekler de meşhurdur ama.
You get food.
Ekler.
What about at night? Dinner? What do you eat at dinner or lunch?
The leftovers.
Huh?
Or the leftovers.
Oh, the same thing.
Yes, but maybe buy something.
Okay, okay.
What is your
İçecek.
favorite
Şurada,
food
şurada
here?
boranisa falan var.
Here,
Yeah.
I'll say the kofta. It's like the kebab, like these place things.
Yani köfte var. Köfte. Köfte.
Yeah,
Köfte
Turkish.
Kosova.
Good,
Kosova
good.
köfte.
Yeah.
And has boranisa. Boranisa.
Yeah, the bread.
No, it's just.
It's the drink.
Oh, it's a drink. Oh, it's like ayran?
And
Ayran?
lemonade.
Boranisa.
Boransa? I haven't tried.
It's purple.
Purple.
Drinking here.
Boransa.
Boranisa.
Boransa. Boransa. Oh.
Şadırvan.
Where?
And here you drink in the
Sinan Paşa.
cafe.
You know. That's Sinan Paşa. And,
But what it is made of? What's the inside of the juice? What's made of?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So, and
When this video will upload,
this video maybe next 1 month because I have lots of videos. I made lots of videos. I'll post one by one. I'll post for sure.
From Turkey. And this is from Turkey. And Turkey.
Okay. But when you talk with him, how do you talk? In Turkish or Albanian?
English.
You also know Turkish?
Yes.
Then you don't understand him.
I don't understand.
Then how? Just play. Just you like. Ah.
You know Turkish and I say after say
Okay,
Say what to say
okay.
to
I
him.
understand.
You translate.
Yeah, I understand. But you're staying here, you're learning Albanian. You will learn Albanian, right?
No.
No? Why?
I English.
English.
English not.
Okay. So you like English? English is kind of like you can communicate with everyone. You can talk with everyone in
But
English.
English
Hard? Hard? Ah.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Yeah.
You also Ronaldo?
Yeah.
Nice. Ronaldo is best. You like Galatasaray?
We have match. Real and City.
Today.
Yes.
Real Madrid and Manchester City. Okay.
He supports Mbappe.
Mbappe is coming to Real Madrid.
Yes.
Okay. I live in Finland. I'm from Bangladesh, but I live in Finland. I study there.
Tamam.
So I came from Finland to Albania, then Albania to here. So just traveling.
Do you record everywhere you go?
Yeah, I record everything. Video. I make video for every country. All the countries I go.
What's your channel name?
Lonely Planet Traveler. Yes, it's me. Yeah, thanks. I just posted 2 videos of Albania. What's your name, you say?
Süleyman.
Sulaiman. Oh, yeah.
Kosova.
Food. Kosovan food.
Ekler.
Oh, what's the name?
Ekler.
It's a dessert.
Okay.
Süleyman,
I'll try.
yanlışlıkla su yuttum 2 kere. Hayır lan bak, küçücük yuttum.
Just YouTube, no TikTok.
Böyle tam gidiyordu
Just
ama
YouTube. I have Instagram and
yanlışlıkla yaptım.
YouTube.
Bunlar Instagram.
Yeah. You go to Turkey?
I will go summer.
Summertime. Okay, okay. Summer is very hot there.
Are you recording right now or no?
I just record mostly everything, but I cut parts. Whichever is good, I post those things.
In the countries that you go, do people complain about you recording or not?
Not much.
Do you eat kuymak? Do you eat kuymak? Kuymak.
Kuymak, no. What is that? It's a food, Turkish food.
Yeah, Trabzon.
Oh, no.
It's good.
If I go, then I will eat. I went to just Istanbul, so I tried the donut.